Hi everybody, welcome to episode 2 of my personal AI channel. In this episode I will try to demo the key steps that I used to produce the first episode. I mean the key technical steps, not the content in itself, which was something separate. So it is important to show the actions and how to look for information in case you don't know what to do. Okay, so to do that I use this new recording mechanism. I found a new software called OBS Studio, which is free and open source, and which is an improvement of the software that I use for episode 1, which was based on LiveCam. Okay, so let me show you what's possible with this new tool. Okay, so let me see. Okay, no, I can change the play. Okay, so these are the steps that I had in mind when I started this challenge. The idea was to record myself, to load to YouTube the clip, and then to ask an AI to create a transcript, and then to use the transcript and ask various AI models to summarize and answer demands based on it, and then to compile and rank the results. Okay, I did a lot of things, but not in the episode, which was in episode 1, which was mainly for learning purposes, how to do this. But the key steps that I achieved were record a video, upload it to YouTube, and generate a script. Okay, so these are the 3 key things that episode 1 succeeded. Ignore my typos and so on, that's not the point. And you'll see also later on that the AI models can very easily deal with typos, so it's not always necessary to be precise in what you write. So to simplify my approach, so I use various queries to search engines, so Bing, Google, or YouTube, and I use various prompts to various AI models like OpenAI, DeepSeek, Claude, and NotebookLM. I also had the concept of an action, which means installing a software, doing a search, querying for things. So the first step I do was, okay, how to record. I have no idea how to do it. So I typed this query in Bing, because on that time I was having Edge open on my machine, and the default search engine on Edge is Bing. So just to demo the thing, I will go and here. So I open a new window on Bing, and you type the text, not this one, the one that I meant earlier, so this one, sorry, I had something in the clipboard. So I type this and it returns this, and then you go and explore each what to do and what not to do. That was not the best thing, the first one, but then I managed to find this, and I found out how to open the software from the prompt, and then to load the video. That was relatively easy. I went and I listened to this young guy.
Hey guys,
and I followed the steps that he used. Okay, so that was step number 1, recording the video. Uploading to YouTube, that's something else. You have to have an account on Google, but that was done. I went. It's best to use Chrome because Google and Chrome are together. So I went here on Chrome, and then I open in YouTube. I open YouTube Studio. So let's see if I manage to open YouTube Studio. Okay, you go here, you click on this, and it looks like this. Of course, when I started, I didn't have this thing, but you learn by going to the help and figuring out how to load a clip. Maybe I'll come back later on. Yeah. Then the next step was to configure the subtitles, and here the easiest way was to use the subtitles of YouTube. So there is a process there to create. So normally you click on this icon here when you are in this place, then you click the upload videos to load it, and then there is step by step to add subtitles and so on. So coming back to my to-do list. Okay, so I searched for live cam, I recorded the video, and how to generate the transcript. That was done, and then I also figure out this example. So if I go here, one moment. Okay. So here it is demoing. Okay, here is demoing how to use, in this particular case, it doesn't remember the Google Chrome I'm in. Okay, interesting. It remembers, here I search for how to increase the volume of my thing. Okay, good to know. And then if I go back to the notepad, I look for top 5 screen recorders on YouTube, because I was not satisfied with the live cam, which was too basic. I don't want to show only my face, I also want to share my screen together with my face. So practically I went to Google Chrome again, and then here, okay, I have to open a new thing. Okay, now I understand. I search for in YouTube. Okay, I went to YouTube, and then top 5 screen recorders, and as I know this person because I listened before some of his videos, I selected it and listened to it. And
do you really want to make your holiday special?
In the things recommended by him, there are a couple of them. First I try PowerSoft, but then I discovered that although it's free, it's a limitation of only 2 minutes that you can record. It's not so good. So I discover
has got so much to offer. From the famous
OBS Studio is the way to go.
Creator.
Okay, let's
The Great
see if I
Migration.
can skip the... I cannot easily skip the advertising, but the idea is that you can install OBS Studio, and OBS Studio is what I'm using now to record myself. And then I also try to find out other mechanisms of generating the transcript, and one of them was an inspiration I got from DeepSeek. So let's say in DeepSeek, while I was in the train, I had this idea to search for, let me see, Control Home. Assuming you have access to the URL of a YouTube video clip, which is my case, is it possible to access it, its transcript, using just an URL? If yes, provide an example of how to obtain and generate such an URL. If not, describe alternate mechanisms to easily access or download the YouTube auto-generated transcript. And I enabled syncing. And what's interesting here, I never expected, so it was, I enabled syncing and search. You see here, deep sync. I think search, it was not enabled because it was giving me a server not available, but anyway, it recommended me this not GPT. So, okay, good. So if I click on this thing, you already go to not GPT. I go there, and then I copied the URL of my clip. Okay, so I went to here. I can put the URL of my clip, but the channel is not necessarily needed, but okay, it will not create a problem. So let's say I take it out and I click generate transcript. So on this site, it generates my transcript also. Although on YouTube is still the YouTube transcript, and it also generates this summary. And this summary, then I capture it. I can save it as a markdown file, but I capture it and then went back to my YouTube clip and edited the video and modify the description here. Practically, I copy what YouTube transcriptor produces, which is a summary of my transcript. So it's a two-step process. Huh? I'm not sure if it rely on my transcript from YouTube or not, or if it generated from the voice. It's difficult to say, but to be clarified. And that's it, how I populated how I generated this thing. So this is generated based on my talk, and I guess it's also based on the YouTube auto-generated caption. That's it for today. We'll see how it goes. Many thanks, and see you for episode 3.